Welcome to this full-length, detailed tutorial on how to install ceramic tiles on a bathroom wall with precision, cleanliness, and long-term durability. In this comprehensive, step-by-step guide, you'll witness the entire process of transforming a plain bathroom wall into a beautiful tiled surface using professional techniques that ensure straight lines, tight joints, and a flawless finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast working on your own home or a professional looking to refine your skills, this video serves as an ideal visual reference. We begin with a deep dive into surface preparation, one of the most important and often overlooked steps in any tiling project. You'll see how we clean the wall from dust, grease, or soap residues that can affect adhesion. Then we examine the flatness of the surface, explaining how to use a long straight edge to check for dips and bumps that might compromise the final result. Any holes or cracks are filled with cement-based filler, and uneven areas are leveled to ensure proper tile bonding. After prepping the surface, we demonstrate how to apply a primer bonding agent if necessary, and how to mark level reference lines both vertically and horizontally using a laser or spirit level. These lines are essential for guiding the tile layout and avoiding misalignment. Before any tile is set in place, we take the time to dry lay out the tiles on the floor to determine the optimal starting point, avoiding small cut pieces at the edges which can weaken the installation visually and structurally. With the layout finalized, we mix the tile adhesive according to manufacturer recommendations, showing the right texture and consistency to ensure a strong bond and easy spreading. Then we use a notch trowel to apply the adhesive to the wall in manageable sections, maintaining the right angle and coverage for even application. Every movement is shown clearly, with close-up shots to demonstrate the correct technique for adhesive combing and tile pressing. Each tile is carefully placed using spacers to control grout line width, and a leveling system may be used to eliminate lippage, uneven tile heights. You'll learn how to cut tiles with a manual tile cutter for straight edges and an angle grinder or wet saw for curves in tricky areas like around plumbing fixtures. Safety tips are also included to help you protect yourself during cutting and mixing. As the wall gradually transforms, we explain how to address common issues such as adjusting tiles that are slightly misaligned, cleaning adhesive that seeps through joints, and working around electrical outlets or recessed niches. Special attention is given to vertical edges, corners, and transitions between different wall areas to ensure a seamless appearance. Once the tiles have had sufficient time to set, based on environmental conditions and adhesive type, we move on to the grouting stage. You'll see the correct method to mix grout to a peanut butter-like consistency. Apply it with a rubber float and ensure the joints are fully packed. Excess grout is then wiped away with a damp sponge in circular motions, taking care not to pull grout from the joints. After grouting, we perform a final polish and inspection, cleaning off any haze and checking for flaws in the joints, misaligned tiles, or imperfections that can be corrected before full curing. We explain when it's safe to expose the tiles to moisture and how to maintain the wall over time for lasting performance. Throughout the video, there is no voiceover commentary, just clear visuals and natural ambient sounds of the work. This makes it accessible to an international audience and ideal for viewers who prefer focused, distraction-free tutorials. Every action is performed slowly and deliberately to allow for careful observation, making it easy to follow even for those with no prior experience. This video is more than just a tutorial, it's a full workshop experience captured on camera. You'll not only learn how to install ceramic tiles correctly, but also understand why each step matters, how to avoid costly mistakes, and how to build confidence in your tiling abilities. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to tackle your own bathroom wall tiling project with precision and pride. Thank you for watching. For more expert tiling, flooring, and installation guides, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our full collection of silent, hands-on tutorials. As we continue into the advanced phases of bathroom wall tiling, this extended portion of the tutorial explores deeper layers of professional craftsmanship, attention to hidden structural challenges, and the fine-tuning of tile installation methods that separate average work from truly refined, long-lasting finishes. At this stage, we begin addressing complicated zones such as internal and external corners, built-in soap niches, window recesses, and transitions between the tiled wall and adjacent painted or plastered surfaces. You will see how to handle these spaces with patience and precision. using specific cuts and alignment tricks to ensure visual symmetry and mechanical strength. For example, when tiling around a window, we demonstrate how to maintain a consistent tile flow from wall to sill, and how to use corner trims or metal edging strips to create elegant, chip-resistant finishes that blend seamlessly with the surrounding elements. We also take time to show the art of buttering the tile back, a crucial technique where adhesive is applied not just on the wall, but also directly on the back of each tile, especially when working on slightly uneven surfaces. This double bonding approach ensures maximum contact, minimizes voids behind tiles which could lead to cracking or water damage, and strengthens the entire installation. You'll also learn how to avoid hollow spots, a common problem when tiles are installed with insufficient mortar coverage. Another major focus in this phase is on humidity control and waterproofing. In a bathroom setting, especially around showers and bathtubs, we explain how to apply waterproofing membranes or paint-on liquid barriers before tiling. These layers prevent water penetration into walls and help avoid long-term issues like mold, mildew, or structural weakening. The video provides a visual guide on how to seal pipe penetrations, apply mesh tape on joints, and maintain a continuous waterproof layer even behind the tiles, especially in wet zones. Now that the tiling has covered the majority of the surface, we begin tackling precision grout spacing and alignment corrections. Minor errors that may not have been visible early on are corrected subtly to ensure the tile joints remain even and straight across the entire wall. We introduce the use of laser levels and tile alignment clips to keep rows consistent, particularly when tiling over long vertical or horizontal runs. These tools are essential when using larger ceramic tiles, where even a 1 mm misalignment can become very noticeable. We then move on to detailing the finishing touches. This includes applying silicone caulk in expansion joints, especially in corners or where the tile meets a different material such as the bathtub edge, window frame, or floor. We show how to smooth out the silicone with a wet finger or plastic tool to create neat, flexible joints that move with temperature and moisture changes without cracking. The video also walks you through sealing the grout if needed with a brush-on or spray-on sealer, especially in areas exposed to constant humidity. With the installation now complete, we step into cleaning, inspection, and post-installation care. Viewers are guided through the process of wiping the tile surfaces using microfiber cloths and tile-safe cleaners to remove all dust, adhesive haze, and grout residue. Every tile is inspected closely for alignment, cracks, sharp edges, or any signs of lifting. Any minor imperfections are adjusted or repaired immediately, and the area is left spotless. For professionals and homeowners alike, we include extra guidance on tool maintenance and material storage after the job is done. Trowels are cleaned thoroughly, adhesive buckets are emptied properly, and cutting tools are inspected and stored safely for future use. These habits are what sustain quality over time and reduce waste and wear on your equipment. Finally, the video provides thoughtful tips on workflow efficiency